we are meeting here because for last 2 days there are some disturbing news items doing rounds. Earlier it was in social media, then it came in print media also, which is very disturbing. Yesterday it was reported by the reporter that some Iranian passengers who are infected with coronavirus, they are being brought to Goa. Now, let me tell you, this is totally wrong. There is no such thing happening in Goa. I am taking it very seriously because this is very irresponsible behavior by that reporter. Okay, and right now I am speaking to everybody through your forum only. Please understand, these are extraordinary circumstances. All of us are fighting a crisis. Society as a whole has to fight, and everybody has a role to perform. Administration and government is doing their role. I request citizens to perform their role, and media persons, media houses have very important role, because through your channel only, through your forum only, we speak to people. So let me say it once again, that please behave responsibly. This appeal is for all the citizens of Goa and all those who are coming to Goa. All of us are fighting an important crisis. Unless we join our hands together, it will be very difficult for us. So there should not be any misreporting, any wrong reporting. If at all you get to know something, I request you to confirm it from authentic sources. For you, authentic source is district administration, and by district administration I mean district magistrate. And then, since we are talking about this health crisis right now, you can also approach health officials of state government. There should not be any third agency through which you should confirm your reports, your news items. Okay, so once again, let me repeat, please confirm whatever news you are getting from any source. Please confirm it with the district authorities and health officials of state government. It's very important. At the same time, I must tell you that I have issued an order under section 144 of CRPC prohibiting rumors of any kind. Anybody indulging in this kind of mischievous activity, we are going to take very strong action, legal action against such people, because that is very irresponsible. If all of us are concerned, everybody is concerned, government is concerned, I know citizens have many questions, many apprehensions, you please come to administration for any query. Okay, stop all kinds of rumors. This appeal is to all citizens, this appeal is to media people also. And from this forum, I would request editorial team of all media houses also to confirm such news. I am surprised how come that news got published. Why editorial team did not notice it? Because it is so objectionable, then any responsible editorial team would like to get it confirmed from administration, from government. So I am very strong and very categorical in saying that this was very irresponsible, not only on part of that reporter, but also on the part of editorial team. Please understand, these are extraordinary circumstances. We have to join our hands together to fight this crisis. Thank you.
So it was yesterday Milind Naik who said this in Vasco, the MLA Milind Naik, and his group led the opposition there first in.
Please understand, yesterday this news was printed. That means someone told that reporter this thing a day before.
No, I will categorically I will mention Milind Naik was leading the group to oppose such an event if those passengers from Iran were brought to go.
Anyway, I mean, nothing will.
So will there be any action against Milind Naik?
Please understand, he was acting after reading that report. So if at all anything is to be punished, it is that reporter.
Are you contemplating any action against the reporter or?
Yes, we are contemplating action against that reporter.
What kind of action? Meaning, what kind of does he attract in this case?
Simple rumor mongering, without confirming that report from any official sources.
So it will attract the new law which the central government has invoked regarding
Yes,
this.
yes. Under all these provisions, this becomes a criminal offense, and we are going to take very strong action against that reporter. And I mean, each one of us have to behave very, very responsibly. It's not about one reporter or one government official. It is about each one of us.
So today evening there was a commotion at the ESI hospital.
Again, because of this rumor mongering, okay, and again using your forum, I would appeal everybody to not to trust any such thing, and media people should confirm any report from official sources through district administration or through health officials of designated health officials of state government.
So in this case, the rumors are spread by use of social media. Will the administration act against such?
Definitely, definitely. As I told you, I have already issued order against under 144 of CRPC to prohibit any kind of rumor mongering or spread of misinformation in the society using any forum, be it print media, electronic media, social media, or word of mouth.